Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel JK777. This is your reading for June 2020. This is your love reading. So this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. If you are a cross watcher, please keep in mind that the energies will be reversible or vice versa. Also guys, please keep in mind that this is a general reading. This will resonate to most of you but not all of you. So you can always get in touch with me for your personal readings because you'll get accurate readings over there. These are general readings. Many people are involved here. So these readings are for people who really need it the most at this point in time. Okay. Now if this reading resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section. And for personal readings, you can always visit my website jyotitarotreadings.com. It's mentioned there on the screen too right now. Now I'll proceed further with the readings. Sagittarius, let's see what do we have for you Sagittarius in the month of June 2020. How will be your June 2020? This is for Sagittarius. This is for Sagittarius. How will be your June 2020? How will be your June 2020? Okay. My God, we have Justice. Okay, let's clarify this Justice. So I think you are going to get justice in whatever area of life you really want clarity on. Okay, so I feel that universe is going to balance things for you. So whatever is destined for you, it's going to come your way this month in June 2020. Justice is going to be served for you Sagittarius. Now let's clarify this justice. What is this justice for? In which area? What is this justice? What is this justice for? What is this justice for? Why do we have justice here? Okay. Okay, so we have a 9 of Wands. So I definitely feel that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Saggy. So quite possible that there is somebody who is coming towards you Sagittarius. Alright, okay, let's see what do we have more. So we have the Magician. So for people who were looking for reconciliation, I do see reconciliation in cards for people, you know, who really wants reconciliation with your person, or maybe you are not in talking terms, or maybe someone stopped talking to you, or things are going to get better for you Saggy in the month of June 2020. We'll see your energies, then we'll see your person's energy. So let's see what is in store for you. Okay, this is you Sagittarius, 4 of Pentacles. Yes, you're holding on to a person, you're holding on to somebody you really love. This could be your spouse, this could be the person that you're dating, or if you're single, then there is somebody who you love truly, and you're not going to give up on this person so soon. So let's see more about what are your current energies as far as your love life is concerned Sagittarius. What are your current energies as far as your love life is concerned? I also feel Sagittarius, there's somebody who is coming to meet you from far. This person, I think that this is for people, you know, this could be for people who are dating, this could be for all actually. So there's somebody who stays away from you, this person loves you, this person is coming to meet you from far. And if you are single, then I feel that this person wants to propose to you, so they are coming to meet you, and once you are okay with them, they will directly go ahead and propose you, or you know, they want to commit to you. So this person is serious Sagittarius. So there is somebody who is very serious for you. So guys, please keep in mind that if you are in a very stable relationship and everything is going good, then you may get some messages from here, but not all the messages are for you. Okay, because readings usually give messages for people who are really in trouble, or they need some guidance in life. Especially this is for readings are usually for singles, or for people who are looking for somebody else, or dating, and they don't know what's there in store for them in the future. So readings are usually for them, guys. And if you're in a very happy marriage and everything is going great, and if something negative comes here, so please keep that in mind, that then this reading is not for you. The negative message is not for you. This is only if you're not happy in a marriage, or you want to know what your person thinks about you. So this is the Sun. Such happy cards for you, Sagittarius. You are in a very happy space. For some of you, I feel that you are going to go further to a different state or a different country for higher studies, or you are going to pursue something within your own state. Doesn't matter, not necessary that you will travel, but you are going to focus on studying something more in life, or focusing on studying a new subject. And there are some major changes happening for some of you in your life, some major changes. So this could be that some of you are entering a new chapter, or you're starting something new in your life. Somebody, I feel that you may get pregnant in the month of June, or you're already pregnant, something like this, but I do see pregnancy for some of you. And if you're a masculine energy, then your spouse, your wife may give you this news that she's pregnant, something like this. Let's see what are your person's energy, Sagittarius, in the month of June. Let's see your person's energy in the month of June. Let's see your person's energy in the month of June, Sagittarius. Okay. So we have the Moon in reverse. I feel that this person that you are dating, they have been through some tough time in the past, and now they are coming over it, or they are getting over a bad past, and they are coming out of a negative energy, your partner. So they have started focusing on you. Maybe some, okay, this is what? This is the Judgment in reverse. For some of you, I feel that this person you are dating, they did a mistake in the past. They asked you to forgive them, but you said no. You were like, enough is enough. That is why I feel that some of you are entering a new chapter. You are entering a new life. That is why I was feeling, why are you entering a new chapter when you are happy with your person? But yes, now I feel that this person that you are dating, this person did something that has hurt you, and and they asked you to forgive them, but somehow I feel that you said no. You were like, no, I don't want to get into that again, and you cut them off, Sagittarius. If you don't want them anymore in your life, so which is why this person is upset, which is why this person is hurt. They still think about you. I think they regret. I do see regret. I do feel that your person regrets hurting you, or not treating you right. They still think about you. Okay, see, we have a Nine of Wands. I feel that somebody, I think you have blocked this person, Sagittarius. Either you have blocked this person, or this person has blocked you. So this is only for few of you, not the others of you, but yes, I do pick up these energies for some of you here. So somebody has blocked each other. It could be you who has blocked this person, or this person who has blocked you. And we have a Six of Cups in reverse. So I feel that you are thinking a lot about somebody from your past. Maybe you want to go back to them, and this could be for people who are married. They are not happy in a marriage. They are living in a marriage for the sake of society, and they have somebody from their past who is trying to get in touch with them, or they are trying to get in touch with them, whatever. But I do see someone coming from the past, and this person wants to come back to you, but then they are still confused whether to move forward towards you or not, or maybe they are waiting for you to take the initiative, Sagittarius. Okay. Okay, what do we have? We got this Princess of Pentacles in reversed. Somebody out there is starting a new chapter. They want to start all over again. They want to forget what happened in their past and they want to move on. Okay, they want to move on, and I do feel that there's somebody in their life who could be from their past. They are getting closer to this person, wants to approach you, but then they are hesitant. They are not quite sure whether to approach you or not. They think whether they are not sure. They are like, will you accept them or will you reject them? They fear rejection. That is why they're taking time. Or maybe you are too guarded, Sagittarius. Maybe because of the difficult past that you have had. Some of you, I feel that you have gone through a divorce in the past or a breakup, because of which you're very guarded. You're very guarded. You don't know whether to trust people. You don't know whether to trust this person who is coming towards you, and you don't know how to go about. So you are taking your own time. But the others of you, especially who are single and who are in a happy space, yes, there is this Knight of Wands. As I said, this person could be a Libra, this person could be a Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Saggy. These signs are very prominent in this reading. So let's see what are the overall energy for you that's coming up in the month of June 2020. Sagittarius, I feel that you are going to get some success, some sort of success in your life very soon. This is especially as far as your work is concerned. In your career, you're going to get some success. Maybe you're looking for a new job, you're going to get a dream job, you're going to get something that you're really looking for. Maybe, yes, I do see good things coming up for you, because we have the Sun here. Sun with the Four of Pentacles and the World. I feel that you are starting a new life, and you're going to get some sort of success in the coming times. For some of you, I feel that you're trying very hard to work for your future. If you're happily married, if you're in a happy space, I feel that you're trying very hard to build for your future. For some of you, I feel that this person that you are dating, they are younger to you, or you may have some age gap between you two. So, and that's bothering you. But this person that you are dating, they don't care. They are like, come what may, they want to be with you. They have decided. You are like a dream come true to them, and I think you both are going to work mutually on this relationship in the month of June 2020. You both are going to be with each other, know each other, and if it's a new relationship, yes, you both are going to know each other. Of course, for some of you, as I said, if you have had a breakup, bitter breakup or a divorce, then I feel that you are not so sure about this person. You're very guarded. It's like, your trust is broken, and it's very hard for you to trust again, Saji. So because of which you are going to take your own sweet time before you proceed further with this person. The others of you, yes, this person who is coming to meet you from somewhere far, and they are so serious about you that they're just waiting for you to say a yes. Someone, I feel that there's somebody in your life who is helping you in your rough patch, Saji. They are like a rock in your life, and they've been sent as an angel in your life. They help you. They are supporting you emotionally. It could be emotionally, financially, whatever, however it resonates. But yes, this person is supporting you a lot. For some of you, I feel that if you're dating and you're very young, you may try to convince your family for this person. Maybe you have some differences. It could be religious, cultural. But yes, you may find yourself busy convincing your parents. Now, for some of you, I feel that you have lost someone special in your life. This could be your grandparent or your parents or friends, relative. But you've lost someone special, and because of which you are in a dark phase, you're mourning over their loss in your life. So that's there. I do feel that Sagittarius, your person, I do see addiction for your person. Okay, some of you, I feel that your partner is addicted. It could be to alcohol, drugs, etc., etc., whatever, but I do see addiction in cards for your partner. This is not for all, few of you. Some of you, you are in a relationship and you're keeping this a secret, you have not yet revealed it to people around you. And maybe you are married and you're dating this person and this is your secret love interest. So you're just going with the flow, you don't know about the future, but yes, you are in a relationship. This could be a third party. So maybe you're married and you're dating this person, something like this. So let's see the final outcome for you, Sagittarius, in the month of June 2020. Let's see how will your 2020 be. The final card for you. This will be a final card for you, Saji. Okay, so we have got the Queen of Wands. You are going to be in your power, Sagittarius. You are going to be confident. You're going to be you are going to feel powerful. You are going to feel confident. You are going to be in the best of phase. You're going to look for opportunity, look for new job, new businesses. You're going to meet people, interact, know this person. You are in full mood to meet people. You are ready for new relationships. However, if you are the one who have just been divorced or just been out of a relationship, I feel that you won't get into a serious relationship so early. You are going to take your time, but you are ready to explore new relationships, Saji. Now let's see some more cards for you. Any message? Okay, so Saji, we have got these two cards for you. For some of you, Sagittarius, I feel that you are in a dark phase right now and you want to come up and you want to shine, you want to really shine. You are done, you are in a dark phase, and maybe you're dealing, as I told you, for some of you I do see that you are starting a new chapter, but you're still stuck with your past. You are still stuck with your past memories and you're still there. So I feel that it's time for you to come out of that energy, because you're very close to meeting this new person that we have for you. It may take time for some of you, but you are surely going to reach your soulmate. I feel that you are on a way. This is not for all. For few of you, I feel that you may go through some 1 or 2 relationships before you meet the right one. For some of you, I do see there is a wait period. So let's see something more for you, Sagittarius. Okay, what is this? Nurture. Look at this. You have to focus on yourself, focus on your own beauty, focus on your health. Okay, so we have got one more card. What is the solar plexus chakra? So this talks about satisfaction. For some of you, you're going to feel satisfied and content. It could be your love life. And if you are single, you're going to be happy being single. You're waiting for the right person. And as I said, for some of you, you are dating this person, you are knowing this person. This is very new. This person is coming to meet you. Let's see what more messages do we have for Sagittarius. Okay. Sacral chakra. So we have the sacral chakra and solar plexus chakra together. So definitely you guys are going to focus on creativity, focus on yourself, focus on you are going to motivate yourself, you are going to do something that gives you happiness, you are going to focus on your own desires and needs. You are going to focus on your workouts. You would want to look thin, better. You would want to become better and better, and I feel that this is all about transformation. You're busy transforming yourselves, and this could be fear also. So some of you, as I said, we have this, the well over here, so definitely you have some fear, some sort of fear, so you will try to overcome that. So I do feel you're going to come out confident in the month of June 2020. All right, so that is it for you, Sagittarius. I really hope you enjoyed my readings, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. Okay, so you take care. Bye.